Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write down the gradients of lines perpendicular to the following straight lines. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. For a quick recap, if you write the standard equation of a line, y equals mx plus c, note that the m, or the coefficient of x, is the gradient of the line. And likewise, if we have two lines, let's say we have line AB and the line CD as shown, and we say that AB or CD is perpendicular to AB, that means at the point of intersection it forms 90 degrees, then the gradient of the line AB when multiplied by the gradient of the line CD will give us -1. So therefore, if you look at the following examples, in order to find the gradient of the lines perpendicular to each equation given, then we need to find the negative inverse of the coefficient of x. So in example 1, we have y equals 3x plus 10. We have to make sure that the coefficient of y is +1, and then the gradient of this line will be the coefficient of x, which is 3. So if I have the gradient of the line m equals to 3, therefore the gradient of the perpendicular line will be equal to the negative inverse, so it's going to be -1/3. In the second example, if you look at the equation y equals 4x minus 11, that has been written in the standard form, starting with the gradient of the line, that's 4. So I have the gradient of this line m equals +4. So therefore, the gradient of the perpendicular line is the negative inverse, which is -1/4. Note that if we multiply each of these gradients together, it's going to give us -1, and that shows that that gradient is that line is perpendicular to the equation given. If we multiply 4 and -1/4, that will give us -1. Moving ahead with our examples, in the next one we have y equals -2x plus 7. The coefficient of x, which is the gradient, is -2. So I have m equals -2. Therefore, the gradient of the perpendicular line will be equal to the negative inverse. Negative times negative, that's positive. So that will be 1/2. In the next example, I'm going to rewrite that in standard form. I have y equals 10 minus 7x. If I rewrite in standard form, that's y equals -7x plus 10. Therefore, the gradient of this line will be -7. So I have m equals -7. Therefore, the gradient of the line perpendicular to this will be m perpendicular, the negative inverse, that will make that +1/7. The last but not the least example, I have y equals half of x minus 4. The gradient is the coefficient of x, which is half. So therefore, m equals 1/2. Therefore, the gradient of the line perpendicular will be m perpendicular equals the negative inverse, that's -2/1, which is the same as -2. Thanks for watching. Bye.